A customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To start the diagnosis, I connected a scan tool and retrieved the trouble code P0456, Evaporative Emission System leak detected, very small leak. This code usually points to a tiny leak somewhere in the EVAP system, which is responsible for trapping and recycling fuel vapors to reduce emissions. I began by visually inspecting the EVAP system, including hoses, connections, and components, but didn't find any obvious damage or faults. Since a small leak can be difficult to spot, I used the scan tool to command the EVAP vent valve and EVAP purge valve to close, effectively sealing the system. With the EVAP system sealed, I connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system service port. A smoke machine is a critical tool for finding leaks in a sealed system because it allows you to visually see where smoke escapes, indicating the source of the leak. After introducing smoke into the system, I observed smoke escaping around the gas cap, suggesting that it was not sealing properly. To confirm the gas cap was the issue, I removed it and tested it using a gas cap tester, which applies pressure to the cap to check if it can retain the applied pressure. The test showed that the gas cap was unable to maintain pressure, confirming it was faulty. The gas cap plays an essential role in sealing the fuel system to prevent fuel vapors from escaping. When it fails, it can trigger the EVAP system to detect a leak, leading to the check engine light turning on. Replacing a faulty gas cap is a straightforward but necessary repair to restore the EVAP system's proper functionality. I replaced the gas cap with a new one, cleared the trouble codes, and performed a road test to verify the repair. After the road test, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair was important to ensure the vehicle's EVAP system could properly trap and recycle fuel vapors, maintaining emission standards and preventing unnecessary fuel evaporation. Diagnosing the problem accurately saved the customer from more costly or invasive repairs, and a properly sealed EVAP system ensures the car runs efficiently and environmentally compliant.